Have you ever looked up at the night sky and tried to count the stars? It's a question as old as humanity itself. On a clear night, far from city lights, the sky becomes a tapestry of glittering points, each a distant sun. You might try counting, but quickly realize it's impossible. The sheer number is overwhelming. Ancient astronomers mapped constellations, navigated by the stars, and marked the seasons, but the true scale of the cosmos was beyond their imagination. Today, our curiosity drives us to build powerful telescopes, peering deeper into the universe than ever before. The journey to count the stars is really a journey to understand our place in the cosmos. So let's begin, starting with what we can see and then venturing out into the vast, unexplored depths of space. The numbers will be staggering, but they reveal just how grand and mysterious our universe truly is. And in all that vastness, we find ourselves on a small blue planet still asking why. On the darkest, clearest night, you can see about 2,500 stars with the naked eye. Double that if you could see the whole sky at once. It feels like a lot, but it's just a sliver of what's out there. Through even a small telescope, empty patches of sky fill with countless more stars, and the Milky Way becomes a river of light. Suddenly, you're seeing millions. But the real leap comes with powerful telescopes like Hubble or James Webb. They can focus on a patch of sky the size of a grain of sand at arm's length and find not just stars, but entire galaxies, each with billions of suns. Our view transforms from a sky of stars to a universe of galaxies. The stars we see with our eyes are just the tip of a cosmic iceberg. To truly count the stars, we have to think bigger, on the scale of galaxies. The numbers are about to get astronomical. We live in the Milky Way, a vast spinning disk of stars, gas, and dust. Our sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in this galactic city. When we see the Milky Band across the sky, we're looking into the dense plane of our own galaxy, the combined light of billions of distant suns. Counting them one by one is impossible. Many are too faint, too far, or hidden behind cosmic dust. So astronomers sample small regions, count the stars, and extrapolate. The best estimate? The Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. If you counted one star per second, it would take you over 3,000 years to reach just 1 billion. Our sun is just one among hundreds of billions, an ordinary star in an extraordinary galaxy. For every person who's ever lived, there are at least 10 stars in our galaxy alone. Rather than make us feel small, this should fill us with awe. We are part of something immense. Our home is not just a planet, it's a galaxy of hundreds of billions of suns. But the Milky Way is just one galaxy among many. When astronomers first studied faint, fuzzy patches in the sky, they discovered these were entire galaxies, island universes, millions or billions of light years away. The Hubble Deep Field experiment pointed a telescope at a seemingly empty patch of sky and revealed thousands of galaxies in that tiny area. Multiply that across the whole sky, and the latest estimates suggest there are about 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy is a metropolis of stars. Now let's do the math. 100 billion stars per galaxy times 2 trillion galaxies. That's a 2 followed by 23 zeros. 200 sextillion stars. This is our best estimate for the number of stars in the observable universe. It's a number that challenges the limits of our imagination. The universe is far grander than we ever dreamed. 200 sextillion stars, a number so vast it's almost meaningless. To put it in perspective, scientists estimate there are about 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on Earth. For every grain of sand, there are more than 20,000 stars in the universe. Pick up a handful of sand. For each grain, imagine a city of 20,000 suns. Or consider this. The number of stars is about 10 times greater than all the drops of water in Earth's oceans. All of human history has unfolded on a tiny speck orbiting just one of those stars. These comparisons aren't meant to make us feel insignificant, but to expand our sense of wonder. The universe is filled to the brim with stars and galaxies, on a scale that defies language. The numbers are a testament to the creative power of the cosmos. There is always more to discover, more to learn, and more to be amazed by. With such staggering numbers, you might think we're close to knowing the exact count of stars. But we'll never know for sure. These are just our best estimates. Not all galaxies are the same. Some have millions of stars, others trillions. Our view is limited to the observable universe, the part from which light has reached us since the Big Bang. The true universe could be vastly larger, perhaps even infinite. Even within our own galaxy, dust clouds and faint stars hide much from view. Billions of red dwarfs likely exist, unseen and uncounted. The quest to count the stars isn't about finding a precise number. It's about pushing the limits of our knowledge. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe's richness and complexity. The real value lies not in the answer, but in the asking. So what does it all mean? For me, these numbers are a source of wonder and optimism. If most stars have planets, the number of worlds in the universe is likely even greater than the number of stars. Among sextillions of planets, some must be like Earth, potentially habitable, with liquid water. The odds that we're alone seem vanishingly small. The stars are not just lights, they are potential homes. This perspective changes everything. We are not the center, but we are a part of the universe. We are the cosmos made conscious, able to look up and ask questions. In a universe of 200 sextillion stars, we are here, aware and searching for meaning. Next time you look at the night sky, see not just points of light, but possibilities. Among all that grandeur, you are here, a thinking, feeling part of the universe. The story of the stars is also the story of us, and our endless journey to find our place within the cosmos.